Welcome back to Girl Talk. We are filming off of Mineral Point Road today at Contours Lingerie, and we can't wait to catch up with designer Tia Lynn later in the show. It'll be quite the treat, so stick around for that. Right now, we're talking about a more serious topic, I'd say, talking about law. And we've got joining us today Alvarez Law and Ellis Law, and they're at 995 Applegate Road. So make sure if you need any legal advice, you go check them out. But we're going to tell you why in just a minute here. So right now, you might be seeing a new face as we have a new attorney at Applegate Road. So thanks, guys, for joining us.
Thank you for having us.
So introduce your guest here, Jair. And this is Kristopher Ellis, your newest attorney, correct?
Yes, thank you very much. We're very excited to be here. This is attorney Kristopher Ellis. He is the newest attorney to join the law offices at 995 Applegate Road. Now we have 5 different law firms in one building.
Wow, that's incredible. So you guys are expanding and really growing along with your company. That's great.
I love the idea of having so much to offer a person at one location. Kristopher, what's your area of expertise?
Mainly criminal law. I'm mainly focusing on appeals. I'm also doing some other stuff such as Chapter 51, which is involuntary commitments.
That sounds like some pretty serious stuff indeed.
And let's talk a little bit about your background. So where are you from, and how did this sort of come to play where you joined this group?
I'm originally from Milwaukee. I did go to school at UW-Madison for undergrad, and that's so I'm familiar with the Madison area. I then went to University of Akron School of Law for law school.
Okay.
And then I ended up back in Milwaukee, which is where my family's from. I started my own practice there. I ended up in Madison because I worked for the state for 2 years, and then after I had left there, I decided to start my own practice, and that led me to meeting Jair.
It all comes together. That's perfect.
Tell us a little bit more about your background. So you mentioned criminal law. Why that?
I find it the most interesting. Specifically, I like working on appeals because appeals, you argue the law, whereas in trial, you argue the facts. I find it more interesting to argue the law end of it. Also, then you're not really dealing with what happened. It's just on appeal, you already know what the facts are that were proved at trial, and then you're just arguing the law in favor of your side.
So you really got to know the law and how it...
Yes, it takes much more research to do an appeal than go to trial.
Yeah, interesting.
All these areas of expertise that I would love to pick your brain about a little bit more. But let's get to the fun stuff. I want to talk about the fun part. How did you guys meet?
So actually, we met through Wisconsin 57. We started working with the TV channel, and we found out that there was this great attorney who was looking to meet other attorneys and get involved in the business. So we met through his girlfriend, Antonia Villalon. And
she's right there behind the camera. You can't see her, but we can.
Before you know it, we invited him to take a look at the building. He liked it. He moved in, and his office is there now with us at 995 Applegate Road.
That's so great.
This has been kind of fun for us because we've met Kristopher a few times, but definitely not all dolled up like this.
Yeah,
so
out of context for us was fun.
Let's talk about these bumper stickers that you gave us. Tell us about them.
Yeah, absolutely. So that's a
I
little
need
gift.
This on my car. I was saying before we started, if you've seen me driving.
So that's a little gift from me to you. I made these bumper stickers because it'll give tailgaters something to think about when they're following you. You do have an attorney protecting your car now.
Yes.
So if anything happens, give me a call, 608-358-7975.
I think I might need one for the front of my vehicle too, so in case I'm tailgating.
There you go.
Not that I would do that. I'm protected on
You're
both
covered,
sides. Yeah.
front to back.
That's right. Well, gosh, what a fun story. You guys are really fun to chat with, and you wouldn't necessarily think that when you're talking law, would you? But we've had a lovely time with you guys, so thank you for sharing some of your story, how you guys came together. It's really nice to have all these different areas of expertise all under one roof, and you can really, I'm sure, use each other as resources as needed. So.
And good luck to Kristopher starting out your adventure with these guys.
Right.
Thank you so much.
And hopefully Antonia is easy on the editing for you. Just kidding. Well, it's been a pleasure chatting with you. This is Jair Alvarez and Kristopher Ellis with Alvarez Law and Ellis Law. So make sure you give them a call if the need arises. We're going to be back with more Girl Talk. We're filming here at Contours Lingerie. We'll be right back after the break.